The Universe cards. Number 16. Pulsar. Keyword: structure. Interpretation. The regularity at which pulsars rotate makes them inherently predictable. We know that they will continue to behave in this fashion for the foreseeable future. We can time each pulse and know that each future pulse will be at the same rate. This characteristic of predictability and regularity is an important part of the way we structure our lives. We all need a certain amount of structure in our everyday lives. And we all develop habits of behavior which impose this kind of structure. We may have habits and rituals which we perform each morning. A getting up routine which may be as simple as making a cup of coffee. These habitual behaviors make us feel secure and provide an anchor in our lives. There are also structures that are imposed on us in life. For example, having to work from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, which we may perceive as both comforting and limiting. The Pulsar card, number 16, symbolizes the structure and routine of our lives. Drawing this card indicates a need to formulate a structured approach to the object of your inquiry. You may need to work out some form of system for dealing with the situation. Structure imposes limits upon us, and without limits we can never build anything in this world. However, we may sometimes battle against the limits that we feel have been imposed on us from outside. The Pulsar card may indicate that we feel limited or trapped by the structures imposed on us, but that they are nevertheless crucial to the object of our inquiry. We need to cooperate with the energy exemplified by the Pulsar card and find a system or structure that is flexible and that works for us without making us feel imprisoned.